Hey guys, Omar here with ABC Austin Service Express, and it is a chilly day. It's probably, I don't know, 34 degrees, 36 degrees, and we're installing a new system. Their furnace went out. It was all old 1999, so they decided to get a new one complete. So here is the there is the furnace, the condenser, the evaporator coil, and the filter base. And one of the trucks is there. My truck is here. The old one is in here. That is the condenser in there. And inside the house is that's the old furnace and the old coil here. So they're all gonna get it replaced. So call us for all your air conditioning, heating, refrigeration needs. 512-448-0532, 512-448-0532. You can find us on the web at www.abcaustin.com. Okay, thanks guys. See you in the next video.